Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling precise timing hardware and environmental controls. You need a high-stability quartz oscillator and a microcontroller with real-time clock. These provide deterministic ticks. Once done, mount the oscillator in a thermally insulated block and connect to a regulated power source. This reduces drift and electromagnetic noise. Make sure to place the setup inside a small Faraday cage and include a simple temperature sensor and heater circuit so the timing element remains within plus or minus 0. 5 degrees, which stabilizes. Now you program the control loop that manipulates phase and measures cumulative error. Flash firmware that performs phase modulation, synchronous sampling, and long-run averaging to detect tiny timing shifts. Once the code runs, route signals through sample and hold stages and low-noise regulators to prevent jitter. This preserves the oscillator's coherence. Make sure to add a simple keypad and status LEDs so you can input parameters and watch stability metrics in real time. Testing here reveals how corrections affect long-term timing. Finish by validating the device under controlled conditions and iteratively correcting parameters. You should run continuous validation for at least 72 hours while logging phase and frequency data. Compare against a trusted reference clock and apply calibration offsets. Once stable, seal the enclosure and document user settings. If things go wrong, if readings fluctuate, first isolate vibrational and electromagnetic interference sources, then verify power stability and thermal regulation. Make sure to rerun the 72-hour test after each corrective change to confirm consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.